Pike Lock. Roundabout down there. You'll see a bit of colour from the garage on the roundabout to Eastington. And this is some sort of cycleway, partly the old road. Ooh, the bike facing the wrong way. A bit of a mixed bag this. And probably not the most exciting cycle path in the country. Got some gears somewhere. I think somebody's moved them. That one was Pike Lock. I think they call this one Blunder Lock. I think they made a mistake when they ended up in the wrong place. And unfortunately, we've got to go down the side of the 419. Bicycle goes to the left. Just to spoil it, we've got this headwind. Oh, swap sides now. And swap sides again. I'm coming through. Thank you. You usually go to one side. Just coming up on the day nursery. Oh yeah, I get my head straight. Sundays there's nobody there. That's the lane down to the canal. I think this used to be the way station for commercial vehicles. There's a cycle path there. And there remains a red cycle path. Well, it's meant to be normal speed, but the headwind's got me a bit. It's safe. You went the wrong way last time. We'll go down to the canal. What I've always known as Sperry's. It's called the gatehouse or the gun turret. I suppose it served both purposes. I think it aimed low enough to shoot anybody as they came through. Lots of businesses down there now. And the Bonds Court swans in the distance. Actually, they're quite close, but this is wide angle. You don't chart very well. GoPro, stop recording.